My name is Anansh Prasad, and I'm the founder and managing director of SkillSphere Education. We are a pan-Asia 21st century skill development organization conducting a range of educational programs, events, and initiatives for students right from grades 3 to graduation in over 220 schools in 7 plus countries across Asia. As of today, we are associated with over 80,000 students, and we are glad to be introducing our Global Quizzards workshop for students of GEMS Modern Academy between 25th and 30th of March 2021, specifically students of grades 6 to 8. Well, to start off with, I have a very simple question to ask all of you. How many of you are able to think of 4 things that have taken place in the world in the past 2 weeks, and more importantly, how many of you are able to understand the impact that they have had on your own life? Well, the average person is not able to think of more than 1 to 2 such things. And the primary reason for this is that people don't keep abreast with what's happening in the world. There are many such examples of things that are taking place in the world, whether Joe Biden becoming the new US president or Myanmar being taken over by the military once again. Each one of these pieces of information has a deep impact on our lives in many different ways, and understanding that impact is very important. In fact, this is the difference between general knowledge and general awareness. General knowledge is knowing something has taken place. General awareness is understanding the application of that piece of news to our own lives. For example, Pfizer coming up with a vaccine is general knowledge. Understanding how getting inoculated by that vaccine will allow us to go to school and perform ranges of work is general awareness. Ensuring students develop general awareness is the key point in today's times. Well, a lot of us think of quizzing as simply a form of answering different questions that are posed to us. But quizzing is way more than this. The reason due to which it's so popular is the approach to quizzing. The approach to quizzing provides students with an opportunity to develop skills like critical thinking, lateral thinking, spontaneity, and various other skills which are tested moving forward in competitive examinations for college and university admissions across the world too. Every session of the Global Quizzards workshop starts off with discussions related to different current affairs. Students are engaged through these discussions, share their views, and enhance each other's knowledge. Post this, a particular topic which is designated for a session is discussed. These are different topics related to the world which are discussed in a lot of detail. Students interact, there are a lot of games and activities in this process too. And finally, once these discussions take place, there is a very innovative quiz. The rounds and the format change in every session. The very innovative quiz in which students participate, through which they apply this learning. This is where general knowledge transforms into general awareness. Some of the topics that are going to be covered across the sessions of the Global Quizzards workshop are world festivals, robotics and artificial intelligence. Students are going to be learning about great minds and leaders of the world. They're going to be learning about human rights and their importance, certain human rights violations. They're also going to be learning about financial literacy. They're going to be taken into outer space too. And there's going to be a finale quiz in which all of these topics and current affairs are going to be put to test. The workshop is taking place between the 25th and 30th of March 2021 for students of grades 6 to 8. Registration details have been provided in the school circulars, and if there's anything that you'd always like to know from us, feel free to call up Abdullah Parkar. His details have been shared in the circular. We look forward to seeing all of your students of grades 6 to 8 at GEMS Modern Academy participating in the Global Quizzards workshop. We ensure that this is going to be a wonderful opportunity for students to grow exponentially as far as 21st century skills and general knowledge is concerned. This is Anansh Prasad from SkillSphere Education signing off. Stay updated, stay enlightened.